importance of regular HVAC inspections. When was the last time your HVAC system had a professional inspection? Here's why it matters. Reason 1, prevent unexpected breakdowns. Regular inspections catch small issues before they become big problems. Reason 2, boost energy efficiency. A well-maintained system runs smoother and uses less energy. Reason 3, extend your system's lifespan. Regular care helps your HVAC system last longer and perform better. Don't wait for trouble to strike. Schedule your professional HVAC inspection today. Call Densen Plumbing and Heating at 778-764-1640.